Hello everyone. Hi, my name is Praran Kumar. I am a senior officer HR at Hero MotoCorp first manufacturing plant, Dharwada. Currently, we are at Hero EV Lab, which we developed with the collaboration of Hero MotoCorp and ISIE India. So there, we initially thought about to develop EV Lab for our student. As we know, like in the current market trend changes in two-wheeler and auto industry, and now EV products are also introduced in the market. So that is completely a new technology for our, not only for the customers, also for the manufacturers, service people, sales people, and the contractuals and the worker as well. So that is why it is important for everyone, those who are into this industry and wants to join into the auto industry, so need to learn about the EV. That is the major and important role for Hero MotoCorp to be, as we are at the world #1 two-wheeler manufacturing position. So it is our one of the responsibility to develop a talent pool for EV workspace and create a pool of our EV expert engineers, your service people, and other in other fields. So there in this lab, it is equipped with the first is a drive system. So as we know, in a EV there is a multiple drive modes are there, like the chain drive, belt drive, gear drive, and the hub drive. And there for this there is a different kind of motor, BLDC and PMSO motor and BLDC motor type of options are there. So we created a developed model with the ISI to train the participants and the employees for the staff, and as well as our service and the sale participants to better understanding. Same as it is, we have a battery pack capacity, battery cell charging, and for the understanding what are the cells are there, how we charge and discharge, how we check the capacity of the cells, and then how we connect them into cell series and parallel, so we can create a battery with the help of connecting multiple cells. And then after that, connect the BMS and check the capacities and the performance of the battery as per the different load and range. So in this lab, so it will equipped with the very like futuristic system, or the EV products or model learning kits for the students or for the participants. So this will help the participants to know about not only about the outside of the Hero the EV products, like how the EV products are working, but also inside how they are made. So because with the help of this thing, they can easily able to understand how a EV system work, as well as what other things are there, so they can also do the servicing and maintenance. So that is why it is important in our nowadays for everyone to learn about the EV if they are seeing a scope or their future in auto industry. So this is on as we set up a first EV lab in Hero MotoCorp Dharwada plant. Same as it is, as per our current nowadays education system needs to also upgrade it, and this kind of similar lab also needs to be developed at our academias in ITIs, diploma, and engineering college. Not only if it is there is a all-no option, we also set up this kind of lab at schools. So our students, they can get to know and aware about the EV products or the different other futuristic things directly from the school, so they can easily pick their career as per their interest or as per their choice. So after that, so they can not only have the academia knowledge as well as the hands-on experience on the EV products. So it will be really very helpful for everyone or for the students to pick their career and learn about lots of our EV concepts. Thank you.